This is 75th Street, Alderts Lane. This is a 121st Street bound J local train. The next stop is 85th Street, Forest Parkway. This is 85th Street, Forest Parkway. This is a 121st Street bound J local train. The next stop is Woodhaven Boulevard. This is Woodhaven Boulevard. Transfer to the Q52 and Q53 select bus services. This is a 121st Street bound J local train. The next stop is 104th Street. This is 104th Street. This is a 121st Street bound J local train. The next stop is 111th Street. This is 111th Street. This is a 121st Street bound J local train. The next and last stop is 121st Street. This is 121st Street. Transfer is available to the Jamaica Center bound J train. Transfer is available to the Q10 bus to JFK Airport.